Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be creating GSAP split text animations. Text animation can completely change how premium your website feels. These animations aren't magic, they are powered by GSAP and split text. And today I'll show you how to build this exact effect. So let's jump into the coding part. So here we have a simple title and a heading for the second section and a box of text that will be animating by each letters, and here is another box of text that will be animating by each words, or you can say I will animate them by line. So now we have something like these are completely static for now. So first let's animate the title first. So let's install all the packages, and for smooth scrolling I will be using the Linux, of course. So after installing the package, let's run the server. So for the animation part, we'll be creating some utility functions for our split text. First one will be animate each letters, and we'll be using the GSAP split text. So our animate split by text is created. So let's create another function so that we can split the line by words. So our two utility functions are created. I know we can make it to one by combining both of these functions, but I have decided to make it simpler so that we can understand it better. So after creating them, let's export them from here. So inside here, we'll be using the functions that we have created now, and we'll be using the use GSAP hook. But first, let's select the container. So first, let's use Linux for smooth scrolling. Of course, we'll be using Linux with GSAP. So after adding Linux, we'll be doing the title animation. I have already add a class name in the heading, that is title. We'll be using the text, not words, for the title. And for the selector, we'll be giving it a title. And for the options, remember that I have already created an option so that you can give the options to the GSAP animation. So now let's add some animation for the title. Here for the easing, I'll be using a custom ease from GSAP. Here are the custom easing for this title effect. Let's see how it feels like. Super smooth and super interactive. Perfect. And now for the second section heading, I have also added a class name here. And I'll also add some custom animations here. For easing, I'll also use the custom ease. So if you want to do custom easing like these, I'll be creating a video for this, like you can visually see the easing and manage the custom properties. So let's see how this actually feels. So let's add a delay for this section. I added the delay just for visually. So these parts are done. Let's animate these. For this full section to animate, I have added some class names across all the text. For the words, I have also added some class name. Alright, now let's see how this actually feels in action. The titles look awesome, and animate by letters, it will animate by each letters. Let's see. See, it's looking awesome. And for the words, take a look at this animation here. This looks awesome, exactly like that. This is exactly the same, right? So let's remove the delay. So this is why text animation matters. It's subtle but instantly upgrade the experience. I'll share the full code in the description so you can break it, tweak it, and make it your own. If this helped you understand GSAP and split text better, drop a like, it really helps. Subscribe if you want more real world animations like these. I'll see you in the next one.